Hello friends! Thank you for watching this video. Today I've got two magic tricks for you. First of them is and the second one is Ukrainian invisible apple pie. The mystery of it you will know in the end of this video. Today we need 4-5 apples, half of lemon, 3 eggs, sugar, flavor, milk, butter, vanilla sugar, baking powder and cinnamon if you like it, because I like it very much. Now we need to peel our apples. After our apples are peeled, we need to slice them. Into sliced apples we need to add juice from half a lemon. Then we mix what we've got. Our apples are ready, let's put them aside. Now we need to prepare our dough. First we take 3 eggs, vanilla sugar, regular sugar and beat our eggs with sugar for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes beating, we add some milk and melted butter. I melt it in microwave for 30 seconds. Beat for 1 minute more, then add some flavor and cinnamon. Then continue beating for 2 minutes. After we add some baking powder and beat for 1 minute more. Now we need to add our apples to our dough. Mix it with our hands very good. We need to lubricate our form with butter. When our form is ready, we put our apples to our form. Inside our pie must be no air, so when you put apples to form, make a little pressure on the apples. Add some melted butter on top. Now we put our pie to the oven for 40-45 minutes. At last our pie is ready. Let it cool a little bit and it is ready to serve. It can be served not only as a pie but also as a dessert. It doesn't have much sugar, so every member of your family will enjoy it. The secret of this pie that after you cook it and it cools a little bit, it disappears in about 10 minutes. If you have children, it can disappear even faster. So enjoy cooking and enjoy this pie. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe, comment and like. Thank you and have a nice day.